Welcome back to my jungle life. My name is Eduard and I live in a tropical jungle in South Africa with my husband. And in this video I'm going to test the limits of my drone, the DJI Neo. I unfortunately don't have a remote, so I use the app on my phone. I'm also going to send a drone into the jungle next to our house, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be at the end of this video. So I've had this drone now for, I don't know, a year, but I've never actually tested how far it can go. So this morning I tested how high it can go, but I've never tested how far it can go. So I'm at the beach and I'm gonna try and see how far it can go. Okay, so that's the maximum flight distance. Not sure how far that is, but there I am. See if we can get him back. A bit windy today, so it's not struggling too much. So we've got new neighbors. Somebody bought a piece of land next to us over there in the jungle, and they started clearing up to build. I'm not sure when they're going to start building, but it's a bit of a shock. We're used to not having anybody next to us, having just jungle next to us. And it's kind of an eyesore now that the jungle is gone, or a piece of the jungle is gone. I mean, the entire jungle, they could have built anywhere. But for some reason they bought the piece of land right next to us. But it's sad to see the jungle going. But we've got more jungle around us. So the channel's name is still going to stay My Jungle Life, because we are still in the jungle, even though we're going to get neighbors. But I'm going to miss the piece of jungle next to us. On this side. On the other side, we still have jungle.